Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded any kinds of tutorials on Smule or any kinds of, any topic on Smule to YouTube, and yeah, it's been about a year. So it's due to my new job and moving back to Germany. But I saw how many people of you subscribed to my channel because of these videos, and I just wanted to keep it up. Apart from it being fun, and I like to help people. I've seen all the comments you left on my videos and all the questions you had, and I'm always happy to answer those. So yeah, just take the opportunity to leave any comments down here on any topics that you would like to know more about. If you're new to Smule, I encourage you to download the app. It's really amazing. On the whole community, you get to know so many people who have the same hobby as you, and it's easy to connect. And well, apart from that, you of course singing is just it's not just a hobby; it's a passion. And well, if you're a passionate singer, it's just perfect for you. But anyways, apart from that, if you download the app, just let me know what kind of questions you have, anything you would like to know on any topic about Smule. I'm happy to record a video on that and give you any kind of advice that I can give you. I've been on the app for over 3 years now, and I think I should know basically or almost everything by now. But yeah, I can always, if I didn't know it, I could always do the research. So yeah, just let me know if there's anything you'd like to know. Leave it in the comments, and see you very soon.